Hello friends, welcome here. This is Angel and you are watching my YouTube channel आज का Marco Polo. The Great Wall of China. In this video, I will tell you about the Great Wall of China, how long it was, how it was made, about its history, and some interesting facts about the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the largest man-made project in the world. It is a series of ancient fortifications built in northern China, although named the Wall. It is an integrated defense system including not only lofty and solid walls but also massive signal towers, barriers, breaks, garrison station, or fortresses along. The walls together formed an insurmountable line for thousands of years to protect the territories of ancient Chinese state against the nomadic trades from the northern steppe. This long wall just looked like a gigantic dragon. Winds up and down across desert, grassland, mountains, and plateaus, stretching approximately 21,196 kilometers from west to east of China. It's renowned as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987 and one of the 7 wonders of the world. Early in the 7th century BC, the several ancient states built their own boundary walls, which were laterally connected by Qin Shi Huang from 259 to 210 BC. The first emperor of China and known as the 10,000 Li Long Wall. In the following 2000 years ago, many dynasties continued to consolidate, extend the Great Wall for not only defense but also border trade management, imposing tariffs, and immigration control. So friends, if you enjoyed my video, then like it, comment it and share it. And if you want me to bring such a good and nice video for you, then do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The Great Wall's military use faded away, but now, as an unparalleled architecture filled with historical significance, it is certainly the number one iconic attraction in China. There are wall remain found in 15 provinces of China. The wall preserved section we see today were mainly built during the Ming Dynasty from 1368 to 1644 BC, among which the most popular are around Beijing. A day tour or a long hike along the Great Wall allows you to travel back in time to feel the thousands of years vicissitudes and the ethos of the ancient kingdom of China. So friends, if you enjoyed my video, then like it, comment it and share it. And if you want me to bring such a good and nice video for you, then do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.